The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I'm going to present to you a piece of an entire video that is out on social media. And the entire video that is out on social media shows a person who goes by the name of Foota Hype talking about a person who goes by the name of Michael Sharpe, who died on the 20th of April year 2021. And he also talked about Desmond McKenzie as well. I'm not sure if he talked about anyone else. You see me? However, many comments have been made on social media about the video, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons did not agree with the things that Foota Hype said about Michael Sharpe, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons agreed with the things that Foota Hype said about Michael Sharpe. You see me? Now I'm going to present a piece of that entire video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and you can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with the things that Foota Hype said about Michael Sharpe. You see me? And I want you to also please bear in mind that the things that have been said in this video, they are not the views nor the opinions of Dancehall Skilla. I'm only presenting piece of that entire video that is out on social media to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can take a look at it and you can also let me know what you think. Alright? You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
By the works they shall get paid, brethren. And him works was against us. Him works was against us, brethren. Him and Desmond McKenzie are the two worst things me see come deal with people, boy. Me and Desmond McKenzie son are son. So, friend. But me not like him father. Desmond McKenzie, son of me, as son. I'm a bridging that for life. As long as life exists, me and him a bridging. Whether I like me or not. I'm a bridging. But his father are the worst. See him? So, nothing I got change that. Whether Desmond McKenzie alive or him dead, me not like Desmond McKenzie. Desmond McKenzie, when you put an all dance stick up on your car, the man can take away your car and deal with the place with people. Me not easy to figure out nothing, you know. Me remember the atrocities where them people have put on people, you know. Big man thing, you know. You think I forgot? You think I forgot? You think I forgot? Only easy to forget, you know. Only very forgetful. Me not forgetful, you know. Me have all my little brethren, you know. Irving brother, we are fix car in my yard, you know. And Desmond them come with police and take out the vehicle, you know. Mash up the man like a garage where him a do, you know. Hungry that kill him, you know. Only thing I forgot. Only too forgetful. Jamaican people too forgetful. Only too forgetful. Somebody has said forgive and forget. No, even if you forgive, you can't forget. Anthony B. do a song say the damage is already done. The damage is already done. Yeah. Remember that. So me not like Michael Sharpe. Me not express no condolences to Michael Sharpe. My condolences is for dancehall music and entertainment. And that is serve. Anybody fight entertainment and dancehall, me like you. Anybody fight entertainment and dancehall music, me not like you. Me ignorant fool. Dead or alive, me not like or none. You understand? Yeah. Trade. every selector with them on the live right now, we are watching Nancy now. Them know what you mean. Every sound man hate Michael Sharpe. Every promoter hate Michael Sharpe. Every peanut man, every cigarette man, every crown and alcohol, every cane man, every jerk man hate Michael Sharpe. You understand me? That's just the reality. Them not bold enough to come talk, and they're afraid of dead, and they're afraid of backlash, and they're mean a business about that. Understand what I'm saying? Dancehall are my bread and butter. Anybody fight the industry and me not like them. Me not like Michael Sharpe ego. Me not say no condolences to the Michael Sharpe. At least dancehall can breathe a little better now. Remember, say to all the man get disgusting, you know. I commission have to take him man off the road, you know. And say, no sir, you got too hard. Oh, killer filler, you never know. You just know if you read news, you never know. I want to dance all terrorists that, you know. Michael Sharpe, you know. I don't say condolences to be with them. Zine, if you have youth and family, condolences. For the one you get me to a phone business because I have a family, so it no matter. But phone on a father or uncle or grandfather or cousin or whatever it is, was very destructive to my industry. Enough of my food him stop. You understand? Enough of my food him stop. Not the man lack off weddy, him lack off uptown Mondays, him lack off every yo. The man get a squad of police. Remember him on a DC, you know. Him a small fry, you know. See? And to all the man are going, you know, then give him authority to have squad, you know. Them man they come with a 3-4 Jeep, you know. That's why no found never know. That's why me now sit down and make it slide and everybody talk about news reporter and Ray like, yeah, he must just this great person. No, wicked. A wicked. Yo, the man come like him can't sleep at night time. One night the man come like a Junior read the roof. Big problem up there. Look how much Junior read got praise up. Him. To you, man. Him, who do not remember? Who do not remember? Okay, me remember, you know. See, somebody tell say I assaulted a woman sometime ago. The man come and dance and go like a him name Adams. Be a thing. Be a thing the man go on with. Be a sitting the man go on with Bridging. Any weapon that the other man just want to hear say something I keep. Fee mission was to mash up dancehall Bridging. And make selectors suffer Bridging. Why I can't see? Yeah, big man thing people. I remember. When the man come fight dancehall and come out for the scene couple years and feel like say, you gonna come back. You gonna come back and we forgot say, you are one of our biggest enemy. How that gonna Tell the truth. Brother, them man they traveling whole Jamaica and look for lack of party. Everywhere where they are keep party, man, papa. Michael Sharpe was a nuisance to get up people and party and dance. More somebody come tell me say I lie me at them. I want somebody come tell me say I lie me at them. Somebody in the industry come tell me say I lie me at them. Don't more just one somebody come tell me say I lie me at them. Stacy me at Michael Sharpe me at listen me. Me can't talk bad about the dead. Cause me I got dead too. But until that time they come, Michael Sharpe, have a nice day. That me I tell you. Cause big man thing, the way all you pressure we, the way all you pressure we, the way all you pressure we, the way all that the man the pressure music, who no can tell me nothing, eh? Who no can tell me nothing? After me make a comment on Sparky page now. Be people that come, oh footer you shouldn't say that. Footer, this, that. Oh footer. They don't even want to cuss nobody who's 9 man in your ear. But footer don't read. Me not nothing good to say about him. When him used to read news before him turned police, fine. When the man turned, like the man, alright. He look like the man say, me go turn police just to terrorize dancehall. Me don't know where dancehall to the man. Me don't know if one selector sex him wife or one artist sex him wife or something. That the man they make with life miserable.
Now, according to some things that I saw and heard in the entire video that is out on social media, I got the understanding that the video had been recorded live. You understand me? And one of the reasons why I presented the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. See? Yeah, the video is getting a buzz on social media. See? So there's not much I'm going to say about the video. You know, I'm just letting you know what's going on, keeping you up to date and posted. You understand? You don't know Dancehall Skilla doing thing already. However, if you want to, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in the piece of video that I presented to you. And with that, I'm going to leave it right there. Alright? Alright, so big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. With a big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.